In this video, the focus is on starting the Warehouse Management Monitor in SAP Extended Warehouse Management, or EWM for short. The Warehouse Management Monitor is a central tool for controlling and monitoring all warehouse processes. It serves as the entry point to transparently display stocks, tasks, resources, and movements within the warehouse. The purpose of this function is to provide the user with a reliable foundation for operational decisions and to ensure that warehouse processes remain traceable at all times. There are two ways to access the monitor. The first is through the SAP GUI menu tree. Navigate along the path Logistics, SCM Extended Warehouse Management, Extended Warehouse Management, Monitoring, Warehouse Management Monitor. Click on this menu item to start the monitor. The second and faster method is to use the command field at the top of the screen. Enter the transaction code /n/scwm/mon. After confirming with the Enter key, the system will immediately start the Warehouse Management Monitor. After launching, the initial screen of the monitor appears. On this screen, the organizational basic data is requested. The warehouse number represents the specific warehouse management system that the monitor should access. Since the monitor always works on a specific warehouse, this entry is mandatory. In the Monitor field, the desired monitor variant is specified. By default, this is the standard monitor, abbreviated as SAP. However, alternative monitor variants may also be selected if custom monitors have been set up in the company. In addition, the Node Refresh field allows configuration of whether and how often the data in the Warehouse Management Monitor should be refreshed automatically. Next, click on Execute to complete the startup process. The Warehouse Management Monitor is now open and displays the initial overview screen for the selected warehouse number. To change the warehouse number or monitor variant later, click on the Default Values button. This allows new values to be entered without restarting the monitor.
We hope the video helped you. In case you got any additional questions or comments, please leave a message below. See you next time, your advist-Academy.